This tutorial will show you how to check your TikTok profile views online for social media platform TikTok completely for free. If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial. Okay, the first step to check your TikTok profile viewers is to click on the TikTok app. This works for iPhone and Android and smartphone in this case. Now once the TikTok app has been opened up and loaded, you want to click the bottom right hand screen which says profile. Now basically you should have this option on your profile, in the top right hand screen, the shoe icon. And as you can see, we can see who viewed our profile in the past 30 days. But if you don't have this icon on the top right hand screen, don't worry, I got you. Right next to the top right hand screen right here, you want to click this icon with the 3 lines and then click the 4th option, which is below my QR code, settings and privacy. And now basically if you were to scroll down and then we are going to scroll back up, there's a list of different options in TikTok, but we want to click the second option below account and above security and permissions, which says privacy. Now basically if you were to scroll down underneath here, interactions, if you go to the bottom hand screen of the page, you have this option which says profile views. Currently it's turned on, and if we were to turn it off, now we won't be able to see who's viewed our profile in the past 30 days. So now if we turn it on, if we click back and see if this works, if we refresh our page or TikTok profile, now you can see we have the shoe icon, which basically we've just enabled profile views, or who visited my TikTok profile viewers online completely for free.